Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming where you stand. Press Win+R, run WinVer, and note the build. Once done, make a quick file backup to an external drive or cloud and free at least 20% of disk space so the installer has room. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Check for updates. This starts fetching servicing stack and feature updates. You need those components before the full Rs5 refresh will proceed, so don't skip these first necessary steps. You now manage the heavy lifting. Close non-essential applications and temporarily disable third-party antivirus to avoid conflicts, then allow Windows to download cumulative and feature updates. Once the files stage, Windows will schedule a restart. Follow prompts and be prepared for multiple restarts as setup configures drivers and components. If the built-in update stalls or reports errors, use the Media Creation tool to download Rs5 as an ISO or create a USB installer. That gives you a clean path to complete the installation. You finish by completing the post-install setup. Sign in, pick privacy options, and let Windows finish indexing and driver updates. Once done, check Device Manager and Update History to verify everything installed correctly and to update any remaining drivers. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and then sfc/scano, reboot, and retry the update. If errors persist, perform an in-place repair with the Rs5 installer to preserve files while fixing system components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.